Hello everybody and welcome again. In this video we are going to talk about variable. What is variable and how we create a variable and how we use the variable. Variable is spot in a memory or a place we reserved in a memory. If we take this portion as a memory, if you want to take a small place inside this memory to put something inside that, so we create a variable. How we create a variable when we are typing string or var or something as a data type, it creates a box inside a memory and we give a name to this box. What kind of name you want to put according to its data. If I put Ali inside, Ali is a name, so I put the name in the box. I named this box. It means I named my variable. And if I want to put something inside this box, like I can put Ali for now, I type equal and double quoted or single quoted comma and then semicolon. Then it means I stored Ali or I put Ali inside this box. Now it is a variable, a box inside a memory. It has a name which is name. We put Ali inside this variable which is a string. If we go further, we can create another variable like var any is equal to 3.14. Var is also a type of variable and this any is the name of variable and this is the data which is inside our any variable. So when we are creating a var variable, so we create a box and give it a name any and put something inside this box. And I hope you understand that how you declare a variable inside a memory. And let's go to print this name. If there is, for example, many boxes inside our memory, how we can take out this box and how we can see what is inside that box. If we need a specific box, so how we can call that box. So let's go to print the result or the thing which is inside of this box. In a Dart programming language, when we want to print a variable, we type print and brackets. Inside the brackets, we put the name of the variable we want. For example, if I want to print Ali or I want the Ali variable, I need that. So I call its name, the box name, which is stored Ali inside. So I print name and if we want print name and inside the result, the Ali will be appear in the result. Why? Because I put the reference or the name of the variable or the name of the box or a place in a memory that we create, then it print Ali for me. Then if we want to print some other boxes, for example, if we want to print the age, which is 25 inside that box, we call the name age and the result will be 25. Why? Because we call its name, the box name, then this box which is stored the age which is 25 will be printed as a result. And I hope you understand what is variable and how you declare a variable and how you initialize or put something inside a variable. And let's go to practice it. I open the Dart online IDE that I can work on that. So as we can see, here is our code which has a main function. A main function is, as we said previously, that a starting point of our code, and inside that we have a print, and inside this brackets there is a text which is hello world. If we run this program, the result will be hello world and it will be shown in console. So let's run it by clicking on run, and here is the result. Hello world. So if I want to declare a variable inside this main function, the same variable which we studied before, string, I put a name inside this variable, and the name of this variable will be name, and equal to its string equal to a string. This can be any kind of string like Ali, and I put a semicolon to end this line. So I declared a string type variable that the name of that variable is ma'am and the value inside this variable is Ali. If I want to print this Ali in the console, so what I can do, as previous we know that if I put the name of that variable inside the print, in the name, and it will print the Ali for me. So let's try it by clicking to run. Here you are. The Ali is printed in the console. So we can declare as many variables as we want. Like if I want to store age inside, we can declare the same var, and the name of variable will be age, and what will be inside this variable. This time we don't want to put single quote or double quote because it is not a string, it is a number 25 and semicolon. So how I can print this age in my console? We can type the name of the variable in the print section, age, and let's run this. It gives an error. What is the error? The error is because of the data type. The data type is stored by small v. So let's run it again, and we have the 25 inside the console. So guys, and I hope you learn declaring variable and put a value inside a variable and also print the variable to show the result. So if you like this video, for supporting, you can subscribe this channel, and if you like this video, press the like button, and see you in the next video.